Mahinder Singh Singhal Education and Research Society presents Malti Gyanpeeth Puraskar 2014. Mahinder Singh Singhal Education and Research Society, registered under Indian Society Act in 2003, is actively involved since 2005, establishing educational infrastructure in underdeveloped hinterland, enabling rural poor youth access to quality education. The society has established a co-ed college for BA degree and 10+2 English medium CBSE affiliated co-ed school in 22-acre lush green campus in economically underdeveloped district Sangrur of Punjab. The society's noble mission to establish educational facilities for rural poor are piloted by eminent educationist, 93 years old, Srimati Malti Mahinder Singh Singhal, and her first-generation industrialist son, Mr. Manoj Singhal, with active support from Auto Industries Limited as a part of company's mission CSR. The institution of Malti Gyanpeeth Puraskar was announced during 90th birthday celebration of Srimati Malti Mahinder Singh Singhal by Shri Manoj Singhal, President of Mahinder Singh Singhal Education and Research Society, Chairman and Managing Director, Auto Industries Limited, originator of the concept of award, while paying tribute to respected Mataji. Srimati Malti Mahinder Singh Singhal did her post-graduation in 1948 and obtained degree of Bachelor in Teaching in 1951, in an era when Indian conservative families were not allowed to go outdoors, not to speak of educating the girl child. Throughout her life, she made her mission to educate the girl child and empower women. Today, we are celebrating her 93rd birthday. Even at this age, she is active in her mission and passion. We salute this respected mother. Awardees and jury members, Malti Gyanpeeth Award 2013 are Shri L. Kyadvani was very happy to be a part of this special event.
आनंद मुझे आज के इस कार्यक्रम में आया है, शायद पहले कभी नहीं आया। यहाँ माँ का सम्मान हो रहा है। इससे अधिक सशक्तिकरण की कल्पना नहीं कर सकता कि चुने हुए 5 गर्ल्स स्कूल के अध्यापकों और अध्यापिकाओं को चुन करके उनका सम्मान करना। मनोज जी को, उनकी माता जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई।
माँ, ये मेरी आंखें नहीं, ये तेरी आंखें, तेरी आंखों से मैं कुछ देर सो लूं। थैंक यू मेनका जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
During the award ceremony, Sardar Sukhbir Singh Badal, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, was highly impressed and announced that this award would be adopted as Punjab State Government Award.
ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਮਨੋਜ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਸੈਰਮਨੀ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਸੈਰਮਨੀ ਹੈ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਆਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਦਾ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਪੁਰਸਕਾਰ ਬਣ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ 15 ਟੀਚਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਸਾਲ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ।
Malti Gyanpeeth Puraskar Awards 2014 is being awarded to 15 outstanding teachers, 3 each in the subjects of physics, chemistry, mathematics, English and social studies. Awardees and jury member of this year are It is the intention, desire, plan and vision of the society to institute this award internationally for excellence in academics, research and innovations on the pattern of Road Foundation of Awards and Scholarship. In the spirit of what the former President of India, His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, Learning leads to creativity. Creativity leads to thought. While thought leads to knowledge, and knowledge makes one great.